This is my remote control interface for Uniden scanners. Works with the 996 or the BC15 or the handheld 346 and 396. Using a standard remote control, I can go ahead and adjust the volume, squelch, go into the program menu, turn on or off banks, mute the scanner. It has a nice little handy dandy mute light so you know it's muted.
Street compartment. If you're going to 14th Street, go through the line and city. Nothing. Take Martinez. Go for delivery control. Can you fix that by? Drop Martinez. When you go Martinez,
I wanted to hold.
The bridge turns into 11th Street. DJ.
Or continue scanning.
Okay, you go down to the end. Go down to the end. Make a left. Make a left. No, or make a right. Take 21st Street.
I can pretty much control all the functions with my Uniden scanner using a remote control.